broke that?
He did it. I'm so sad because he got in trouble and he's so loud. Oh, how about we just tell Mom the truth? Yeah, that's a better idea. Mom, we lied. It was actually us who broke it. We were having a cartwheel contest. And I knocked it down. I was like, I got the 200! And then it all fell down. Well, I think the right thing to do is go say sorry to our brother and glue it back together. Oh, well, I'm just gonna go fix it. Good thing I always get glue in my pocket. Don't lie. Always tell the truth. Never lie. Someone always gets hurt when you lie. Be sure to tell the truth and maybe something good will come out of it. Always tell the truth.